Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for reptile enthusiasts. The DXOPHIEX 15-inch dual reptile heat lamp fixture. If you're looking to create the perfect environment for your scaly friends, this might just be the ultimate solution. Let's explore why. This DXOPHIEX fixture is designed with dual lamps, each capable of handling up to 150 watts. This means you can customize the lighting and heat conditions in your reptile's terrarium like never before. Whether it's a UVB by UVA basking spot lamp, infrared heat lamp, or any other reptile-specific bulb, this fixture has got you covered. First off, what makes this fixture stand out are its two independent switches. You can control each lamp separately, allowing you to create gradients of light and heat that cater specifically to your pet's needs. The build quality is impressive too, with a sturdy aluminum lampshade that ensures efficient heat dissipation. Crucial for maintaining a safe and comfortable environment. This fixture isn't just about convenience, it's about the well-being of your reptiles. From bearded dragons to leopard geckos, this fixture supports a wide range of reptilian pets. The UVB light promotes healthy bone growth, while the infrared heat lamp mimics the warmth they'd experience in their natural habitats. Setting up the DXOPHIEX fixture is straightforward. You can either place it directly on your terrarium screen or use the included hanging hook to adjust the height. Safety is a top priority here too, with warning indicators that alert you if temperatures exceed safe limits. When compared to other options on the market, this fixture stands out for its versatility and build quality. The reflective aluminum lampshade ensures maximum light distribution, making it a cost-effective choice for reptile enthusiasts. To wrap things up, if you're looking for a reliable and versatile heat lamp fixture for your reptile's habitat, the DXOPHIEX 15-inch dual reptile heat lamp fixture is a top contender. Its dual lamp capability, independent switches, and sturdy build make it a favorite among pet owners who prioritize their reptiles' comfort and health. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product critiques. See you next time on Product Critique.